I just got a bad lead. Normally, I would waste 10 minutes checking their site and replying. Instead, my AI read the email, checked my PDF guidelines, and drafted a polite rejection. It sent me a secure link. I fixed one word and clicked approved and sent. You might think you need a complex database or coding for this. You don't. For standard company manuals, we just need a model with a massive memory. We are using Gemini Flash. It has a context window so big it can read your entire PDF manual in 1 second. First, let's build the brain. Don't buy a server yet. Let's run it on your laptop first. If you have a node installed, just type npx n8n. No installation wizard, you are finally live. Step 1. Trigger. Drag in Gmail. Make sure to set is unread to true. We only want it catching new emails, not your entire history. Step 2. Context. Connect Google Drive to download your PDF manual. Feed the file into the text extractor. This returns the PDF into raw text that AI can actually read. Step 3. The brain. Use Gemini Flash. In the prompt, drag in the PDF text and the email body. Now it sees the rule and the request at the same time. AI outputs are messy. I use a tiny JavaScript snippet to clean up the formatting. Don't worry about typing this, just copy the code from the description. Step 4. Safety valve. This is the most important part. We map the AI's draft to human check node. This gives the approve button so the bot never sends anything embarrassing. Okay, so the logic works, but here is the reality check. If you run this on your computer, the moment you close the lid, the bot dies. You can't sell a bot that sleeps. To make this a real product, it needs to live on a server. I use Kamatera, but you can use anything. Now, to make this live, you need to configure the boring stuff. A Google client ID, a Gemini key, and your server config. I'm not going to bore you with the 10-minute setup guide here. One critical tip. In your server config, you must set the webhook URL using your IP plus nip.io. If you skip this, Google Auth won't work. I have put a full copy-paste setup guide in the description, so grab it. Once the boring stuff is done, add the final step. Remove the unread label so the bot doesn't loop forever. And that's it. It reads, it drafts, you approve. If you need to handle a massive datasets, like a law firm with 10,000 files, then Gemini is not enough. For that, you do need a database. That's coming in the next video. Go build.